Hello friends, today this video I will show you how to insert this euro symbol in world. Easy keyboard shortcut key to insert euro symbol in world. So very easily you can do this by pressing some keys in your keyboard. So you try this method first. Alt plus 0128. Just press and hold it. Simply first press and hold Alt. Now type 0128 and you can type easily euro symbol. And second way to insert it, you need to press shift plus 9 and E and shift plus 0. So you can very easily type it. You see here, you can very easily type here. And this both way to insert it. First way, this is a very easy and simple way to insert this. Simply shift plus 9 E shift plus 0. That's it. This is very easy way to insert this. And this way easy, this way also easy. Simply Alt plus, I will decrease the size so you can see properly. This Alt plus 0128. So this both shortcut will be very useful. So this way you can very easily insert. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.